Here's a GRE geometry question. Let's take a look. In the XY plane above, if the graph above line L is reflected across line L, through which of the following points does the reflected graph pass? All right, well, if you're not super familiar or comfortable with lines of symmetry, this will be a nice review. What we have is this graph right here, this shape, and this line that we want to reflect it across. How do we do that? Well, I'm going to give you a step-by-step process. What you're going to do is go to each individual point. So I'll start with this one at the very end. And to reflect this point across an axis of symmetry, we're just going to travel from this point directly to the axis of symmetry and then go the same distance in the opposite direction. So here, if I start at this point, it looks like I've gone diagonal 1.5. So I'll go diagonal 1/2 and 1, or 1.5, right? So my first reflected point is right there. It doesn't hit any of the A, B, C, D, E points. Okay, well, how about this one, right? This one, I'm going to reflect over the line of the axis of symmetry. And I've gone 1, 2, and so I'll go another 1, 2 right there. Still haven't hit any of these points, but I can connect these points because they're connected on this side, right? How about this point? Well, this one is 1.5 away. So I'm going to go 1/2 and a 1 right there. That's my next connected point. Connect it like that. This one, let's reflect this. I go 1, 2.5. So 1/2, 1, 2. Oh, looks like I have a winner, right? Looks like I'm going through point D. But just for the sake of finishing this off, I'll finish this off here. How about this point right here? Well, I've gone 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's right there. Boom. And then finally, this point at the end is a distance of 1, 2 away. So I'll go 1, 2, and I have a nice reflected graph. And again, just to answer this actual question, right, I went through point D, which means that that is the correct answer. For more GRE tips and tricks or to sign up for my live online course, follow the link on my profile.